welcome back to my channel. My name is Harpreet if you're new here. Today's video, as you can tell, we are in my very small ghetto kitchen. We are going to be baking these cinnamon brown sugar bites, the recipe that my sister came up with. You guys on Instagram if you guys want to see this, and you guys said yes. Except for the 2 haters, I know who you are. But this is what we're going to be making today. If you guys want to see how to make this really easy, yummy, cannot stop eating recipe, then go ahead and keep watching. Alright guys, so first things first, you're gonna need some biscuits. I have the Pillsbury biscuit. Make sure you get plain, don't get no flavored pumpkin spice biscuits, okay? Plain Old Jane biscuits. If you cannot open this or you need some help, go ahead and get an adult. But if you're an adult, go ahead and keep moving forward. Once you open it up, you're gonna go ahead and start doing the cutting. Again, if you need help, get an adult. So when you're cutting them, you're more than welcome to cut them into 4ths, 8ths, or 6ths. We did 8ths just because they're bite size and we didn't want them to be too large, but you're more than welcome to do 4ths. I think that's, you know, a decent size as well. Alright, so once you have your biscuits in the bowl, now we're gonna go ahead and add all the yumness. So we are going to add in 1/2 cup of brown sugar. You can use whatever brown sugar you want. I don't remember what brown sugar we used, but it's brown sugar. Then you're gonna go ahead and use a teaspoon of cinnamon. I use the one from Trader Joe's. And then you're just gonna go ahead and mix it up until they're, you know, all covered up in the yumness of the brown sugar and cinnamon, and then you're just gonna set them aside. So now we're gonna go ahead and line our pan with parchment paper, and you're just gonna put the biscuits into the pan, and just make sure when you put them in there that you are distributing them evenly. And if there's some parts of the biscuits that are not covered with the brown sugar and cinnamon, just kind of go ahead and try to get them covered if you can. So now that you have your biscuits in the pan, you're gonna go ahead and get 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. You're gonna throw it into a bowl, pop it in the microwave for about 30 seconds or until melted, and then you're just gonna go ahead and kind of drizzle that all over the biscuits. Try to distribute it evenly if possible, and yeah. Make sure you guys preheat your oven. I forgot to mention that earlier in the video, but preheat it to 350 so it's ready to go by the time you get to this step. You are gonna pop them in the oven for about 22 minutes, and in the meantime, we're gonna start working on the icing. Alright, so I just corrected, it's not icing, it's glaze, my bad. But to make the glaze, you're gonna need 1 cup of powdered sugar, and you're gonna need 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You can get this at Trader Joe's. And you're also gonna need 2 capfuls of milk. So you can kind of eyeball it, and you're just gonna go ahead and toss that into the bowl, and then just mix it until it looks like glaze / icing. So now that it's been a year and 22 minutes, you're gonna go ahead and take your glaze / icing, and you're just gonna go ahead and pour it over your beautiful brown golden cinnamon brown sugar biscuit bites. Look at that. My mouth is watering. I'm about to make some more right now. But you're just gonna go ahead and distribute it evenly, make it look aesthetic, beautiful, delicious, mouth watering. And once you do that, you just let it sit for a little bit so you don't burn your mouth, and enjoy. And that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy this video today. Let me know if you guys want a baking / cooking series. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below if you tried or are going to try this recipe, and tag me on my Instagram, which will be in the description below. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye!